Newfoundland, Canada. In May and June of 2026, we took our first post-retirement trip with our newly acquired A-Liner camper. We were on the road for 23 days, in Newfoundland for 19. We drove more than 4,600 miles. Ferries, lighthouses, camping, snow, puffins, caribou, and icebergs. I will never again complain about the late arrival of spring or the rough roads in Maine.
Untied and painter Mike, let's slip into the darkness of the night. Set our necks along the herring head before the man gets out of bed. Be home before daybreak. Man, how my body aches since they closed the fishery. Oh, life's been nothing but a misery. Light on the hill, brass badges want to have their fill. Catch us poaching in the act, in the courts produce the facts. Take our catch and all our gear, try to force us out of here. They want us to move away, and there is no reason left to stay. Hey, 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 ho. Oh, 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 oh. Land on some isolated beach, keep the long arm out of reach. Unload the middle room, sun will be upon us soon. Make our way through an unblazed trail, try to stay out of jail. I gotta feed my family, 'cause there is no reason left for me. Let's slip into the darkness of the night, set our nets along the herring head before the man is out of bed. Be home before daybreak. Man, how my body aches since they closed the fishery. Oh, life's been nothing but a misery. When the mountain sweeps down to meet the coast along the bay, I'm going home if I live to see the day. While this old flat town has got me tied down, I'll stay on until my money's made. Remember the snow-flying winds howling outside, back door flapping and the winds are baffling smoke downside the pipes. I spent all my free days cutting and hauling wood. I traded all for the 4 lanes out front any day if I could. They never knew what happy meant when they put up all of those signs. The drivers are swearing and the horns are blaring. Everybody pretends they're blind, and the drunks and the bums are the only ones who'll pass the time of day. And I know if I gave it to them, they'd drink all my money away. Remember the ice moving out was the loudest thing I'd heard, and the tick-tick-tock of my clock kept a-getting on my nerves. Well, now my new electric alarms, and I sleep on into the day, dreaming about spring coming to that place on the bay. I never knew what dying meant until I saw my old man go. Poor old Ma, she'd have to do it all alone. And it's been so long since the kids have been gone. The next time we're down that way, it'll only be to bury her where the mountain meets the bay. Where the mountain sweeps down to meet the coast along the bay, I'm going home if I live to see the day. Well, I pondered on those days gone by as I sat beside the mill. I gazed upon the setting sun as it sank beneath the hill. I gazed on it once more, me boys, 'twas the very sun I've seen. It's just the same now as it was when we were sweet 16. Oh, how I long for those bright days to come again once more. Oh, but come again, they never will. I'm 64. The little fish swim in the brook, and they wander down below. They swim until and never will, as they did long, long ago. And the little meadow by the brook is just as fresh and green. It's just the same now as it was when we were sweet 16. Oh, how I long for those bright days to come again once more. Oh, but come again, they never will, for now I'm 64. Oh, the past is past and she is gone. On earth we'll meet no more. Oh, but we shall meet in heaven above on that eternal shore. And when we meet we'll part no more. We both shall reign supreme. No more to sigh on days gone by when we were sweet 16. Oh, how I long for those bright days to come again once more. Oh, but come again, they never will, for now I'm 64. Oh, but come again, they never